Hey guys, Ash here from hashtag and welcome back to my new video. According to the new report, Oppo is working on a new Find X device named as Oppo Find X2. It's been long that Oppo is working on a new smartphone from Find X series and believed to announce soon. This is according to the tipster on the Weibo who has revealed some important information about the Oppo Find X2. As per the latest leak, the Oppo Find X2 is all set to come to the market with a 6.5-inch QHD Plus display with support for 120Hz refresh rate. However, the user has an option to change 60Hz refresh rate and 120Hz refresh rate. Both will support resolution between Full HD Plus and QHD Plus. Today, Shen Iran, vice president of the Oppo, mentioned in the Weibo that the phone will have an exclusive custom code stall, a sensor that is large enough to make people impressed. The Oppo Inno Day conference, they said the Oppo Find X2 will be equipped with a sensor customized by Sony. Also, they are working on a technology to adopt CMOS. This custom sensor of the Oppo Find X2 may be the Sony's IMX708 sensor. However, there is no official confirmation that Sony has developed the IMX708 CMOS. Instead, we know much about the IMX689, but this also may include in Huawei and OnePlus smartphone. Under the hood, it will carry a Snapdragon 865 chip paired with an LPDDR5 RAM. Another rumor suggesting the Oppo Find X2 will come with a new moon face design. Anyway, we will see more rumors coming days. So let me know your thoughts about the Oppo Find X2 in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Oppo phones. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I'm Ashkar from hashtag.